In this video, we will discuss about the symptoms shown by an hypercalcemic patient because as a nurse, we must know if our patient is suffering from hypercalcemia so that we can take desired nursing interventions in time. First of all, definition. Hypercalcemia is a condition characterized by an abnormally high level of calcium in the blood. Calcium is essential for many bodily functions and these include muscle contraction, nerve transmission and bone health. But it should be within certain limits, otherwise it can cause serious health problems. Now there are some causes of hypercalcemia. First is primary hyperparathyroidism, as parathyroid gland produces parathyroid hormone which is responsible to maintain the level of calcium. So overactivity of parathyroid gland can increase the calcium levels in the blood. Other causes cancer. Certain cancers, example include lung cancer, breast cancer or multiple myeloma, can cause hypercalcemia through bone destruction or the release of calcium from tumors. Other is excessive vitamin D, as vitamin D plays an important role in absorption of calcium from our intestine into the blood. Kidney disease. Chronic kidney disease can impair the kidney's ability to excrete calcium. Medications. Medications like thiazide diuretics can cause hypercalcemia. Dehydration. If the amount of water in our blood reduces, it will automatically increase the concentration of calcium, therefore causing hypercalcemia. Now, what are the symptoms of hypercalcemia? First is musculoskeletal system. It includes muscle weakness. High calcium levels can interfere with muscle function, leading to weakness or fatigue. Bone pain, as it causes resorption of calcium from the bone, due to which tenderness or chances of fracture will increase, leading to bone pain. Gastrointestinal symptoms include nausea and vomiting, as elevated calcium can disrupt normal gastrointestinal function. Constipation is the other symptom, as high calcium levels often slow down bowel motility. Loss of appetite or anorexia. Decreased appetite can result from high calcium levels in the blood. Neurological symptoms. Due to high levels of calcium in our blood, there can be the symptoms of confusion or cognitive changes. Hypercalcemia can affect the brain, leading to memory loss or even delirium. Fatigue or lethargy. Patients may feel unusually tired or weak. Headaches. Increased calcium can cause headache due to its effect on nervous system. Cardiovascular system include arrhythmias. As we know, calcium is responsible for muscle contractions, so it will increase the heart rate as it will act more on the cardiac muscles. Hypertension or high blood pressure. Elevated calcium can increase the contraction strength of the heart, raising blood pressure. Renal system. Frequent urination, also known as polyuria. The kidneys may struggle to filter excess calcium, leading to increased urination. Kidney stone. High calcium levels in the blood can cause formation of kidney stone or calculi, causing pain and difficulty urinating.